What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video I'm gonna give you an AI tip. How to create using AI and how to know the best prompts. So imagine the following scenario. You did find an amazing picture on your timeline, on Pinterest, on any kind of media, and you would like to know the prompt that this image uses. For example, I like this picture right here, and I would like to have this picture of myself, so I would like to see me in this style. How? First thing, I need to save this image just like this. Now I'm gonna use this prompt right here. You can pause the video so you can copy that, and you can translate to any language that you want. Okay, up to you. Go to ChatGPT, and all you have to do is click into the plus button, add picture and file, enter the picture, enter the prompt, and submit. Wait, my GPT is the GPT thinking, but it can work in any kind of GPT, even if it's the free, the paid version, all up to you now, okay? Wait a moment, I will not cut the video so you can see the time that it actually takes. And here is the core prompt. It's a way big prompt, okay? So the prompt beyond this image is this one right here. Copy that, the whole prompt, go to Gemini, upload a picture of you, okay, you can use the upload file. I'm gonna select this picture of mine. As you can see, there's nothing to do, and all I have to do is enter this prompt. You can use the tool create images as well. Click on submit. I will not cut the video once again so you can see the time that it actually takes. And of course you can upload any kind of picture, and here is the result I got. Fancy, right? I prefer the first result, but you can try again and do some change in the case that you want. But here is the secret beyond how to find the any prompt that some image was built with, okay? Simple, right? And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!